Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I was doing all the work in our flower beds, or James and I were, and it's actually Tuesday, so it's after the fact, but I realized I didn't make an intro for Saturday or Sunday's vlog of the project we did in the garden, so that's what I'm doing now. I just wanted to come on here, let you guys know that this is a vlog of the project that we did over the weekend for our garden. So this is going to be the intro for Saturday. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. So James and I are cleaning this flower bed thing up. As you can tell, we have not had a flower bed in this in a couple of years, I think 2 years. So we're working on that today, and then we're gonna even this out and put a bench until we can get a patio set, like 2 tables and a chair. So that is this weekend's project. And then I have my first garden decoration. I got this from TSC. It was like $12.99. So, busy day. I'm actually really excited to get this going. I have these flowers. You can't see them, I guess. But I have flowers already. I just don't have them out here. So, a lot of work. This is definitely going to be a whole weekend project. Levi is sleeping in the truck, so we're going to take advantage of this time and try and get tons done before we wake him up out of the truck. But yep, time to get busy. So we're just pulling this up so we can get to the dirt, removing any rocks that we find. I'm going to plant again in this planter. James is down here. Don't mind the basket. We just got that. It won't work. But
hey, go get my phone.
Your phone is right here.
Oh, yeah, I didn't.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell Bert to bring his rototiller over. I'm trying to rototill this up today.
All right.
Like you said, we gotta build it up.
Yeah, so there's no point in taking more than we have to out of here.
That's a front. That's some kind of drain. Should we cut it? That'll break now.
We got these rocks out, which is nice because I don't want the rocks in there anymore. Got a whole truckload that we need to go dump. Ready?
You gotta put that up.
Making some progress, slowly but surely. James is already tired. Levi, you woke up from your nap to play in your bouncer. What are you doing? Are you in your bouncer? Is that a truck? What happened to your... You just walked out of your slippers. Yeah, you did. Kid, I'm telling you. What? You telling me all about it?
Back this up a little bit.
You telling me all about it?
Go.
What is Papa doing? Is Papa crazy? Is Papa crazy? Huh, buddy? You having fun? Getting that vitamin D. Huh? You getting that vitamin D? Here's the progress that we've made so far. It's going a lot slower than we thought it would. But this is what happens when you don't do a flower bed for probably like 2 or 3 years. It just grows in grass and we would mow it. But we're just gonna pull all this out today and then mulch it, I think next weekend. Probably start the flowers then too, when it's a little warmer.
That works.
Now I got a mess to clean up. So I went inside to feed Levi and the boys have gotten this far. Looks so much better already, even just dirt looks better. But yeah, this is what everything looks like so far. Like, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but these rocks are going, both that rock and those two. That one actually was one, but it broke. And then this will be mostly mulch and flowers, and up there we're gonna put this bench that my dad got. It needs like a serious scrubbing, but for now we're gonna put the bench in there until we can get like a nice small table and 2 chairs, maybe like a kid's rocking chair. See my dada? Hi guys. So we're done with the yard work. I feel like my face is dirty. We're done with the yard work for the day. I'm heading up to Walmart to get some hamburgers and things for dinner. I'm gonna cook on the grill for the boys for helping with the garden because yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do for them for doing that kind of work for me. I am like holding my phone, so if I'm like not looking at you guys, I'm sorry. Just trying to be safe because I don't have my phone case on that where I can put it on the mount. So yeah, I'm excited. We got it over halfway done. We have a little bit left to finish tomorrow. Thank goodness we started this on a weekend where James has 2 days off instead of 1 because like last weekend he worked Saturday. And if you guys don't know, James drives gravel trains, and here in Michigan we're coming into the busy season for that. Well, it depends on what kind of company you work for. His old company, he hauled salt, and they were busy obviously in the winter, and they were busy all season. But he is back doing like gravel and dirt jobs, so their busy season is spring, summer, and fall, and then they're real slow in the winter. So I'm sorry that this is really shaky. Like I said, I'm holding the phone, which I don't like. My arm gets tired. The struggle is real. But yeah, I'm driving up next to this person. They're gonna think I'm like taking selfies. We're just gonna hang out right here. So yeah, I'm getting ready to head into the Walmart parking lot, so I'm going to let you guys go, and I will show you day 2 tomorrow. I will see you guys later. Bye.